Hello, grade 2 students. How are you? Hope you're doing well. I'm your science teacher, and our lesson today is about the garden. Observe the following pictures, then answer the questions below. Observe means let us look together carefully at these 4 pictures in order to answer the questions. So let us observe the pictures. Picture 1, Picture 2, Picture 3, and Picture 4. Question 1. Name the place that these pictures represent. Name the place means what is this place? What are you seeing in these pictures? The pictures represent the garden. So in these pictures we are seeing the garden. So repeat with me. Number 1. Name the place that these pictures represent. The answer is the pictures represent the garden. Let's move to question number 2. Question 2. Define the garden. Define the garden. Define means what is a garden? It is a place where we can play and rest. It is a place where we can play and rest. So we go to the garden in order to play and have some rest. Now, take a look at picture 1. In picture 1, we are seeing some plants like the trees, flowers, and herbs. In picture 2, we are seeing some animals and insects like the rabbit. We have a butterfly, the ladybug, worms. In picture 4, we are seeing soil. So, question 3. Indicate the components of a garden. Indicate the components of a garden. So it means what we can see in a garden. What does it contain? It contains soil, plants, and some animals. It contains soil, plants, and some animals. Now, there are 3 kinds of gardens: home garden, school garden, and public garden. So there are 3 kinds of gardens: home garden, school garden, public garden. Question 4. Indicate the kind of garden in the following pictures, picture 1, 3, and 4. Indicate the kind of garden in pictures 1, 3, and 4. So what is the kind of garden in these pictures? In picture 1, we can see some kids playing. So it's a public garden. Picture 1 is a public garden. Picture 3. Picture 3, we're seeing a house. The garden is next to the house. So in picture 3, the kind of the garden is a home garden. Picture 3, home garden. Finally, picture 4. Picture 4, we can see some students going to school. So the garden is in the school, next to the school. So in picture 4, the garden is a school garden. Picture 4, the garden in picture 4 is a school garden. So a brief summary. In this summary, you have to copy, please, the last slide this picture on your copybooks and study them very well. So how can you prepare your page on your science copybooks? Write your name, write the date, and the title is The Garden. Number 1, define the garden. Define the garden. It's a place where we can play and rest. It is a place where we can play and rest. Number 2, indicate the components of a garden. Indicate the components of a garden. It contains soil, plants, and some animals. It contains soil, plants, and some animals. Number 3, there are 3 kinds of gardens. There are 3 kinds of gardens: home garden, school garden, public garden. Home garden, school garden, and public garden. So please, you have to copy this page on your science copybooks. Don't forget to write your name, write the date, and the title of the lesson, and then copy these 3 questions on your copybooks and the answers. Please copy them and study them very well. Thank you all.